In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a 100% waterproof tarp made out of a king-size bed sheet. I took inspiration from Nighthawk and Light, and I will leave a link to his video in the description below. But anyway, he does a lot of science experiments and stuff like that, and it's a lot of interesting material. Now, a tarp like this can be purchased online for upwards of $250, but if you have a used bed sheet at the house, you can make this for less than 25 bucks.
For this project, you want to use 1.5 quarts of naphtha. You want to use 100% clear silicone, a flat sheet of some sort, it can be used or new, a garbage bag, and safety gloves. You want to use 100% clear silicone. Naphtha is usually sold in 1 quart cans, so you'll need to buy 2 of them for this experiment. For this project, I chose a brand new king-size flat sheet.
Now, you're going to need some sort of container to put all your stuff in, and I'm going to use a 5-gallon bucket, and we're going to line it with a garbage bag. Next, you're going to use 1.5 quarts of naphtha. Make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area and no flames. Next, we're going to use a tube of 100% clear silicone. That's what it should look like inside that bag. Now remember, safety first, make sure you got some gloves on. I'm going to take this bag out. Hold it over your bucket in case it ruptures the bag. And you're just going to work this silicone until it completely dissolves inside that naphtha. Now to get your sheet ready, you want to bunch it up, wad it up, and submerge it inside that liquid. And then just work the liquid in through all the fibers. Now, just take your sheet and put it inside the bag. And you want that sheet to absorb all the liquid. And you're going to push down and wring it out and just make sure it's completely saturated with the liquid. Now we're just going to make sure, you want to wring it like this and make sure there's no dry spots. Then we're going to hang it up and let it dry. You want to make sure the entire sheet is saturated. All right, now we're just going to throw this on a clothesline. I made a little clothesline here. All right, now we're going to let this thing dry for about 24 hours. Now, I previously made one. Let me show you how waterproof it is. You see that? It's not dripping on the bottom. It's not going through. It's made that completely waterproof. There's no water coming through here. So basically we made silicone infused fabric, and it is completely 100% waterproof, and it holds water. So it sheds water too. Like once you do that, it seems like there was no water on it whatsoever. All right, this thing is completely waterproof, and water just rolls right off of it. I'm going to do another video in the coming weeks when it starts raining, just to show you how waterproof this thing is. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, follow, share. I'll see you next time. God bless you.